Hi all, welcome to the CA classroom. In this video, we're going to answer a few questions which most of them are asking. Questions like, will exams actually take place? Will there be an opt-out option? How to plan? The most important question is how to plan the next few weeks. I'll be answering all this in this video. First one, simple one, will exams actually take place? Simple answer is yes. Looking at the notification, situation outside is not good. Most states have lockdowns. We do not know how situation will be in last week of June and first week of July. So as of how things stand today, as of 27th May 2021, exams will take place. And obviously it's going to take place with all of social distancing norms and more centers and all of that. So whether it will be postponed or not, as of today, we cannot tell, but exams will take place. And if it is going to take place, you have to be 100% prepared for that. So you have to keep studying. Second, will there be an option to opt out? Definitely 100% yes. ICA will give these details a little later. Later, they'll share details about opt out and all. But my personal opinion, just like how we saw in November 20 to Jan 21, you saw the pass percentage and the exam paper standards in the main exam November 20 was much easier compared to Jan 21 attempt. So even if there's an opt-out option, if you are in a good position, if you are in a safe community and everything around you is normal, don't opt out just for the sake because you have not prepared. Until there's a genuine reason, you should not opt out. Write the exam whenever it is going to be held. Do not exercise the opt-out option until necessary. Last one, how to plan for the next few weeks. This is where everybody needs guidance and they have doubts. So to answer this, now follow guys. I completely understand that the last few weeks, let's say the timeline, if exam is going to happen here, and let's say we are here now, the last few weeks before this, I understand all of you were demotivated and nobody studied properly. Did you all study properly? No. Maximum you have studied 3 to 5 hours a day. I completely understand that. It was because of a lot of uncertainty. Now you have to change. My simple point of advice is what has happened in the past. If you're going to sit in the present and think about it, you're again wasting the time of the present and the time of the future. What has happened, irrespective of how many minutes, hours, and days you sit and think about it, nobody can change it. The past will remain the past. All you have to do is think about the future, what you're going to do now with the remaining time that is available. Yes, you did not prepare well, especially in the last 2 to 3 weeks. Everybody knows that. Remember, everybody, all of you who's watching this video and everybody who's not watching also did not study them well in the past few weeks. It's normal. But the next 25 days for CA foundation, I'm leaving out the last 2 to 3 days before the first exam, which you'll be studying for the first exam. And the next 35 odd days for inter and final is very crucial, extremely important. 3 quick points, what you have to do during this period. First, replan. Sit down, make a plan how you're going to approach the subjects in such a way that you at least study 10 to 12 hours of net. Net meaning it is effective study of 10 to 12 hours. So ideally you have to sit with the books close to 15 hours. That will be gross hours. Little less than, this is not the exact number you have to follow guys. It is just an ideal number. But for some of you, 8 hours will be equal to for somebody else's 10 hours. So see what works best for you, but you have to give in the best. When I say best, you have to put in premium efforts. Remember, if not now, it is not going to be ever. So the most important thing, this last few weeks, next 25 to 35 days for foundation and inter students, it has to be all about revision. So everybody writing the exam now, all of you, I know you would have studied this at least once before, at least sometime you would have studied this. So it's going to be all about revision. Do as many revisions as possible, and if possible, write at least one mock exam. Anywhere, write at least one mock exam. Those who are giving their first attempt, the times as usual. I'm hoping those who are giving the first attempt did not give up before and they were always motivated. So keep going, replan. First, replan, put a plan what you're going to do in the next 25 to 30 days, what you're going to study, which subject you're going to target. Replan and study in such a way that you revise everything. Don't go study from a new book now. Taking a new book, new material in the last 30 days is the worst thing you should be doing. So whatever content, whatever material you've already been having, revise that fully. Study for 10 to 12 hours a day. Don't say there's no motivation. Remember, to clear a level, a CA exam is not easy. People might tell it's very easy. It's easier than 10th, easier than 12th, very easy if you study and all. Maybe it's easy for them. By now, you should be knowing it is not easy, but I'm not saying it's impossible. You need to work hard. And along with work hard, whenever you work hard, there is going to be sacrifice. So what is the sacrifice? Stay away from social media, no social media, not even 5-10 minutes a day. Nothing important is going to happen. If such that if something is going to be so important, your friends or family will inform you. All you have to do, simple mantra for the next 3 weeks has to be eat, sleep, study, and repeat. This is what you have to do for the next 3 to 4 weeks. And one thing you have to remember is, I'm repeating again what I said, forget what happened in the past. I know you didn't study well. Just focus on the future, plan well. Remember, if you actually give your 100% for the next 3 to 4 weeks, then 100% your results will be good. Remember, if your process for the next 3 weeks, I keep repeating on this, process should be good, then your result will also be good. So I'm hoping you will do well. If you have any doubts regarding planning, any guidance, you can always WhatsApp me. So thank you guys. All the very best for your exams. See you.